Villanueva Barleta. Today, John Christopher and Sherry Klein, by their own free will and by their love for one another, have decided to join together in the permanent and beautiful union of matrimony. The ceremony that we are conducting today is grounded in the principles and in the provisions that are found in the 1987 Family Code of the Philippines. In this instance, both parties, Christopher and Cyrene, have duly fulfilled all the requirements imposed under the law for them to contract a legally binding marriage under Philippine law. Furthermore, the ceremony, although civil in nature, is valid not only in the Philippines but also in other countries. Before we proceed any further, I would like to ask the couple following questions. Are you, Cyrene, truly assured that you are taking part in the ceremony on your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Are you, Christopher, truly assured that you are taking part in the ceremony on your own free will? Is there anyone who believes that there is an impediment for this couple to marry? I hear none. Let us proceed. Do you, Cyrene, take Christopher as your lawfully married husband, to love and to hold, in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, until death do you part?
Yes, sir. Love, I have always been telling you how much I've waited for this time and for this love. I just want to assure you that I will be not just your best partner, but I will devote myself to protect you and our future family. Sa ngayon, sa mga isda na lang muna natin kasi wala pa tayong children. But I promise you that I'll be here for you no matter what happens. And hindi lang ako mag-isa, kundi dalawa na tayo. I love you.
Love you.
Ask you, do you, John Christopher, take Cyrene as your lawfully married wife, to love and to hold, in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, until death do you part?
I promise to love you and honor you for the rest of my life. Together we will grow in unity. Together we will fulfill our dreams. I will be the best husband and your best man. I will help you to become the person that God wants you to be. I'm always here for you, my love. Like I always said, since the day one, now and forever. Mahal Marita, I love you for the rest of my life.
Thank you. And therefore request Christopher to please hold the left hand of Cyrene while we place the ring. If you can hold the left hand of Cyrene while you place the ring on your finger. And repeat after me. With this ring,
With this ring,
I affirm
I affirm
my love
my love
and my commitment to you
and my commitment to you
as your lawfully
as your lawful
married husband,
married husband,
to love and to cherish you
and to cherish you
until the end of our days.
until the end of our days.
Thank you. And I request Cyrene to hold the left hand of Christopher while he places the ring on his finger and repeat after me. With this ring,
With this ring,
I affirm
I affirm
my love
my love
and my commitment to you
and my commitment to you
as your lawfully
as your lawfully
married wife,
married wife,
to love
to love
and to cherish you
and to cherish you
until the end of our days.
until the end of our days.
Having attested to the fact that Christopher and Cyrene personally declared their intention to take each other as husband and wife in the presence of the witnesses here and under the powers vested in me as consul of the Consulate General of the Republic of the Philippines in Macau, Special Administrative Region, People's Republic of China, I therefore pronounce you husband and wife. Christopher, you may now kiss Cyrene. Let us warmly applaud the newlyweds.
Congrats! Bawat may pang sabay kanta.
Sabi sila.
I invite the couple please to sign sign the contract, 4 copies, sign above your name. Please. You can photograph.
Okay.
Hi. Okay. May I invite Elsie
Hey, Sylvia.
and Oxford, please.
Signature.
Above your name po. Above your name. And then exchange papers.
TikTok dong.
Exchange papers. Ayan. Exchange papers.
Bakit ako nanginginig?
Okay, thank you.
Ako ba yung cancer? Yay! Pogi.
Congratulations.
Ka daw iiyak, sabi ni Nico. Hi to them. Hello. Kailan ka hinga?
Kaya na. Happy pa. Alam mo, student sa
Diba ka din?
At this stage, narinig natin yung vows na Sherry na Christopher. Siguro po, if I can invite Miss Elsie and Oxford, baka meron kayong maikling mensahe sa ating couple.
Ang iyak.
Saan ba ito?
Please, go ahead.
Mayora.
Yan, Sai. Ngayon asawa na kayo. Sana magiging pumamahalan na. Lahat ng problema, lagi yung pag-uusapan. Kasama niyo, tulad sila. At magsama kayo.
It's okay.
Bilisan niyo at na kayo magkaapo na. Bilis na lang sa inyo. Hindi ako makasalita. Welcome to my family.
Yes.
Sige.
Ang makeup.
Third subject.
Sister, Toy, I just wanna say that Sister Pastor, don't make your husband's life as tough as you make mine. Jokes apart. I pray that your marriage to be filled with happiness, love, and support. My prayers the best gift that I can give to your wedding, especially sana lagaan niyo isa't isa. Mahirap yung part na nagkakanya-kanya na tayo kasi nasanay tayo ng mga bata tayo, lagi tayong kasama. Pero kahit anong mangyari, support kami para sa inyo. Wish lang namin na lagi niyo i-center si God sa relationship niyo kasi kung wala si God, yung marriage is nothing right. Kaya sana kahit anong maging problema, panghawakan niyo yung isa't isa at si God. Kasi kung nandyan lagi si God sa inyo, lahat ng problema mawawala yan. Ayun lang, love na love kita ate. Love ka? Congrats. Alagaan mo ang talent ko. First.
Oh, congrats.
Narinig natin yung mensahe ni Miss Elsie, ni Ellsworth, on the part of the consulate. We are very happy, no, na maging witness sa pagmamahalan ng dalawang Pilipino dito sa Macau at makita yung pagmamahalan at yung pagmamahal din ng pamilya at ng kaibigan at community dito para sa inyo. Makaasa po kayo na susuportahan ng konsulado ang inyong buhay mag-asawa. At kagaya nga ng nabanggit ni Ms. Elsie, siguro po in a few months we're looking forward, doon naman tayo sa kabilang side para sa registration ng inyong magiging anak. So with that, our ceremony has now concluded. May you grow in wisdom and may you lead a fruitful, purposeful, and meaningful life ahead as a couple. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Okay, sige, let's have a photo muna for the couple, please.
Picture niyo daw ah.